if you're watching this, save this, share it, come back and watch it, because I really think this information is really informative to come back to. So closed sales. For 2020, we had 77 closed sales. 77 closed sales for a month of September is really like never seen before. It's more like a summer month instead of, more of a fall month. So last year we had 39 sales in September, and this is single family.
It's up. 19 was a great year.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We had a great year. 39 sales is amazing.
Year, yeah.
So to see 39 sales jump to 77 sales is something that, it is just an amazing accomplishment of what the market's doing to, outpace last year and years before. Through the pandemic, we are way ahead, and we'll go through those numbers as we go through the slides. But the median sales price, we use this as an indicator. So look at it. It went from 670 to 775. That's crazy. We typically are around that mid-six.
Are above 775 and the other half are below. So, $100,000 difference.
The dollar volume, look at the dollar volume, Joe. 117% increase.
Wow.
Year over year. Never seen that. It's like amazing. Percentage of original list price received. This is where the house was listed, how close from the list price to the sales price. So, that went up almost 3%. So think about it. Sellers are hopefully netting 3% more than they did, even last year, and prices are higher. So you can see where that trend has ticked up in their favor. The median time to contract, and that obviously, has been higher in the before the pandemic. We saw houses staying on the market longer, and now we see that drop almost 20%. So homes are not staying on the market as long, and they're quickly going under contract in most price points, especially in the sweet spot price points. Pending sales. Here's where the number shows you where we're going to finish the year that you always talk about. Where's the future of the market? So from 32 pending sales in September to 67 pending in September, and we will be closing those most likely some this month in October that we'll have for next market report next month, but probably into November and December, and that's 109% increase. That's amazing numbers. That will show you 100% that the market will continue to go up at least through the end of this year, the fourth quarter, and into the first quarter of 2021.
Yeah.
The inventory of homes, big number. We currently see an inventory of homes, 133 homes. I've seen it fluctuate almost to 120. So we're back at that little 133 last year at this time. So you really understand the impact of the market right now. 237 active listings during the month of September of 2019 versus 133 in 2020.
All right.
44% drop. That's crazy. So buyers have half amount of competition to look at. So sellers are definitely in the position of the month's supply of inventory, where we saw last year, great market, healthy market under 6 months, which considered still, a healthy market to a seller's market. Now we're at under 3 months of some month supply, which puts us at a 50, almost 6% decrease in the month supply of inventory. The closed sales through last year of this time, 375. So through a pandemic, we're 12.3% over what we were last year. That's crazy. Imagine if we didn't have the pandemic, we would have been even more. The median.
We'll get to those numbers, but nationally, sales are up 21% year over year from September through September.
That's crazy. That's crazy. So different markets obviously have seen even higher appreciations.
Right.
The median sales price, this is what the big indicator, and I've seen it where it's fluctuated around 600, 650, 660. We've seen it. This is the most I've seen through a over 6 month period of a market update. We've been doing these for a long time. We're almost at $685,000 median sales price. That's up 4.3%. So that's a huge difference. We've never seen homes in the median price points in this type of range this late in the year. That's really a crazy number.
The median price point is up nationally. Obviously there's different ranges, but it is up overall nationally by the same percentage and even a little bit more on a national level.
So we'll quickly go through the list. The dollar volume gone up almost 19%. The percentage of original list price received, again, through the January to September month, it's gone up to 95% of the asking price, which was 93.3. So things are selling closer to the asking price. Maybe sellers are getting closer to their prices they want, as well as maybe being a little bit more realistic. But definitely it's in the seller's favor. The median time to contract, again, that number even through those months where we had some drops because of the stay in place order, we still see a drop of almost 9%. So that's still great numbers. By the end of the year, I think it'll even be higher than that. And then pending sales, look at the pending sales. That shows you, as we said, with just knowing the September to September market, but seeing the year to date, look at how ahead we are. We're almost at almost last year's full year numbers. And we still got October, November, December to talk about.
9 months, and really almost 2 months of that was really nothing was going on in March and into April, the end of March into April. So
crazy numbers. So really good numbers to talk about. We'll talk a little bit more about what you should do with these numbers. If you're looking to sell or possibly upside or downsize or even refinance, right now, these numbers are really, really strong in favor of, a strong value for your number one asset, which is your home.